Alright guys, so this is the logarithmic functions video, and so just a little bit again, when I'm dealing with, we're going to talk about transformation. So I have stretch and shrinks with the A, or compress, it's the same thing, when the A is bigger than 1 or between these values, okay, it is a shrinking. And remember, when I have a negative sign, that is a reflection across the x-axis here. And B is also stretching and shrinking. But this is the opposite is true here. So, and a negative means it's reflecting across the y-axis. And of course here C means left when it's a plus sign and right when it's a negative. And D is either moving up or down. Okay, and just so we get used to it, A log base B of B times X plus C plus D is the way we're looking at our equation here. Okay, and so this is the way my function looks, and I'm not going to go over that here with you all in this video, but if I wanted to describe the transformation, okay, remember we do have to be a little bit picky in the way we actually describe our stretch and shrinks, and so I'll go ahead and go through 2 of these problems with you all. And so I'm going to rewrite this so that remember, when we express the stretch or shrink, we do the reciprocal, so 1 over b. So here, log, and I do want the b to be outside the parentheses, so here my b value is 4x. Okay, so really what I did is factored it out. And the c value is going to be this value, 2, divided by this one here, 4, which is 1/2. And the reason it's that is, again, if I were to redistribute, 4 times x is 4x, like I see here. 4 times 1/2 is 4 divided by 2, which is 2, which is what I see here. Okay, so this is actually equal to that. Okay, and so makes a difference when I'm actually doing transformations here. So here, I do have a b value. It's bigger than 1, so this is shrinking or compressing in the horizontal direction by a factor of 1 over b, so that's the way we're going to express it. So here the b was 4, so by 1 over 4. And we have a c value here, and it is a plus sign, so we move to the left by 1/2, what the actual c value is. Okay, so if I were to do another one of these, so let's go ahead and do that. Again, let me rewrite this. Where the c value is equal to this number 2 divided by 1/2. And remember, when I'm dividing by a fraction, what I'm really doing is multiplying by the reciprocal. So 4 over 1, which is equal to 4. Okay, so here, b value, which is between -1 and 1, so this is stretching by, excuse me, stretching in the horizontal direction, I should write that, by not 1 over 2, but the reciprocal, which is 2 over 1, so 2. Negative c, so I move to the right by 4. And this value over here is for d, so I also moved up 2. Excuse me. So, the other thing we covered today, guys, was how do I find the domain of the function? And remember, domain has to deal with what's happening with the b and c values. Okay, so if I set this to greater than or equal to 0, all I have to do is solve for x here. So any value greater than -1/2 will be acceptable. So I just write it like this, -1/2 to infinity. Okay. So that is all from this video, and make sure you're looking at the other ones to get a little bit of help if you need it.